Hey guys, so happy to talk to you all again. Hope all are doing well. Today is my son's birthday. It is a very special day for a mom because you literally see them growing up and he's turned 11. It's a very quiet celebration and it's been like this since pandemic for all of us, right? So yes, so this is my new location, Dubai home. You just need a bright, natural sunlight to have your painting shooting. It is a rough sketch as always. I'm using a very normal color pencil, which is seen. In the When I say seen, it's like it can be a white color pencil or a yellow color pencil. It is a very simple flower. It's a very simple composition. The art supplies are already mentioned. Let's have a recap on this once again. So I'm using a black sketch book. You also get in individual pieces like 50 sheets and 100 sheets, which are actually very good. This sketchbook I had actually bought when I was traveling from India because it's very easy and comfortable for me to carry it. This has a bit of rough texture. The ones you get, which is above 180 GSM or 250 GSM, that will be very smooth one side and slightly rough onto the other side. So that is really good to paint. I'm using an acrylic paint as always, synthetic brush. Water is required. You can use water only when it is required as a medium. It's a best medium to use because I don't use a glossy medium or a matte finish medium because I'm very comfortable with water as a medium. So this is like me blue. I've used Persian blue, violet, white, green, sap green, and cadmium yellow. So these are the colors. So when you paint, if you feel that the color is not that bright as it should be, you can alter them by adding more white to it so that it is bright. So the paintings always progress as you're going further. You can alter them. So that is one good thing about one stroke painting. So this is a beautiful location which I have in the hall because whenever you shoot, I always prefer natural light. Of course, I also paint in the night wherever there is a tube light. That bright light, I don't have a ring light which I would want to buy soon, because I prefer this because my painting timings are always like first thing in the morning or in the afternoon, or if I've if I hadn't had any time during that day, I shoot in the night. So the brushes I've used here is flat synthetic brush, angle brush, and round brush. So they all are synthetic brushes. So for one stroke painting, synthetic brushes are ideal. I would like to give 5 simple tips in your art journey. If you want to jump into your art journey, first thing is start small, have fun, experiment with colors, draw for yourself, and one important thing is never compare your art. This is an experience which I am sharing with you all. Like, I have painted the same composition a couple of times. So what I have gathered is, first time you paint, it is good. Even second time, it is good, but there would be small changes because you cannot exactly copy a painting. So just relax and create your own painting. Bring out all your creativity. Of course, whatever I'm showing is just an idea or a tip, or the technique which you can use. Of course, in the initial days you can see and paint, but you will have your own style. It will automatically develop. So all my students, when we paint together, they always say that it hasn't come like the way you have painted. It looks odd, it looks bad, but you don't have to feel that at all. All colors come together and it is really beautiful. To get the perfect strokes, initially you'll have to practice. There are videos on basic technique of one stroke painting in my channel. Please do check them out and always watch the hand movements very carefully. So initial days you can practice them with plain A4 size sheet, because that is a smooth sheet which is a very good base to practice. While practicing itself, if you straight away take a chart paper or the canvas cloth or a sheet, it's going to be difficult. So use A4 size sheet to practice. So while practicing, you need to keep in mind three principles which I have made it mandatory for all my students whenever I teach. The first thing I tell them is load paint 3 times, blend them 3 times. When I say loading, it is double loading of the colors in either side of the brush. So take paint 3 times and blend them 3 times. Here actually the paint is smudged, so you don't have to worry. You can cover it up with progressing the design. You can create something in and around the place where it is smudged. This is one reason the technique is called a decorative art. You can decorate it as much as you want. You can also make these pockets with flat brush. It is very easy to make flower pockets with angle brush because it has a pointy tip. Here I'm making the senna with round brush 6. You can also make the senna with the deerfoot brush, or if you have a flat brush which is worn out, you can use them because chisels would have been opened up, right? So you can use that to make your senna, your shrubs, or anything that needs a bit of texture. You can use those brushes. Are you new to my channel? If so, do take a look at the artwork I do. If you like it, please do share, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. So that's all for today, and we'll see you soon in my next video. So after this is around afternoon I'm painting. I always love walking. So evening walk is the best time I always practice. If not in the morning, I walk in the evening. Let me enjoy my evening walk. Hope you all enjoy painting. Happy painting to everybody, and see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.